everyone, so today I'm going to be doing this picture with you. I hope that you have fun with this. This was a bit tricky making this. It looks complicated, but it isn't. So I'll tell you what you need and then let's get started. What you'll need: a piece of paper, colouring pens, a blue colouring pencil, a ruler. You're going to need to start off with getting your pencil and ruler and drawing one diagonal line going to from one corner to the other corner, and then going with another line from one corner to the other corner, like this. Your next step is to get your pencil and ruler and to draw a line starting from smaller to bigger and to wider and wider, like this, until you get to the other end of your triangle. Mine now looks like this. And your next step is to get your ruler and to draw lines, small lines this way, and then keep doing that until you get to the bottom of your page. Your next step might take quite some time because when I was doing mine it took me a few hours. You're meant to shade in one of your squares to make a pattern that looks like this. So you have one, so you have 4 just going like, so you have 5 dots like this, squares, or you have 4 going like that. So what I did to help me is that I started off at the top colouring one in and missing one out every time I colour one in. And then on the second one, I missed out the first one and coloured in the second. Then I did the first one and coloured in that one. And I just kept on missing one every time to get the pattern. Your next step is to get your pencil and draw these loops going from bigger to smaller. I've just done mine and now it looks like this. Then you need to get your blue colouring pencil and colour in the whole background, not tiles though. Your next step is to get your pencil and draw all your animals. I'm going to draw a jellyfish, and then some fishies and an octopus. Next step is to colour in your underwater animals. So now I've finished and it looks like this. It looks amazing. I hope you enjoyed doing the activity. If you did, make sure to subscribe and like if you haven't already. Bye!